Hi everyone, I just landed in Vancouver and I'm really excited because I'm spending the next 10 days here. I came mainly to visit my best friend, but also I want to take you with me to explore the city, the beautiful spot, the ocean views, and of course, eat some good food. Vancouver has so many cafes, street bites, and places I've never tried before, so get ready for some food adventures and chill vibes. Let's enjoy this trip together. Vancouver, I'm here. Alright guys, so I arrived in my best friend's apartment, so I will go and see him. So I'm here with my best friend Greg. So I've been arriving in Vancouver.
Welcome to Vancouver.
Thank you. So what are you planning after work?
After work, maybe take a walk, take a hot drink.
Ramen spot?
Maybe ramen tonight. You down?
Yeah.
I know there's another ramen spot here. Really good.
Oh, good.
So we could maybe walk there, but
Yeah, good idea. I'm going to walk in Vancouver, so I will show you guys where I am right now. So as you can see, I'm the street called Gore. So I'm going to the gas town, and actually in my community post, I said that I will do like more vlogs, because I've been doing a lot of Korean food video type of content, and I see that I didn't really have a huge reach of views when I'm doing that. So I'm going to try to do my videos like more international, because I was specifically targeting only Korean. So I will show more of my life and what I do. I'll just have to wait for the green light. It's actually very windy today, so oh well, I will do just like that. It take too much time. There you go. Alright guys, so this is the gas town, very famous for a specific place where there's a clock where people go to visit. It's a very popular tourist spot to go. You have to go there. But yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of people, and you can see that it's there's a lot of people in front of me. I should be careful, but normally there's a lot of people than that. But yeah, maybe coming back more later. So I'm supposed to stay like in Vancouver for only 10 days, and after that I will go back to Montreal. One thing I noticed about here is that, in Montreal they have a lot of construction site, but here in Vancouver it's pretty clean though. Alright, now I see more people. I had to go more further actually. That's really nice. I would say that the city of Vancouver is more cleaner than Montreal so far. So this is one of the things that I like about Vancouver. So I'm going to, there's the famous clock that I was talking earlier. You see the spot here? That is the famous clock. Yep. So I've actually been here before, so it's not something new for me. Like you can even like see the mountains. Let's see if I can zoom in. It's very nice to see it. Look, it really reminds me of Korea actually. You cannot disagree that it's more cleaner than Montreal, right? So particularly where you go, it's pretty much clean. If you don't know, if you never came to Vancouver, you will see a lot of homeless people in the streets, especially in the Hastings streets. So normally when people go, actually, a lot of people try to advise to not go there because it's more safer than going to another streets than going to Asian streets, you know, just for your safety. So in Montreal is like very multicultural compared to Vancouver. That's one thing. But here you have many chances to try many food, different food here. You will be able to find, to try Asian food like Korean food that is very popular these days. Try the Vietnamese food, Japanese. Here obviously is more expensive than Montreal so far. The rent is very expensive. Like for example, you have to pay monthly like a 2,000 and more, which is very ridiculous. You know, in Montreal it's like a little less than that. So now I'm practically at the destination that I want to go. So I'm going to the Canada place. Let's follow those folks. So many people like to go there. Look at this massive boat here. So one of the things that I noticed from this ferry is that they have like it seems like a windows, like it's like a room. I like vlogging when there's a good weather outside. Guys, you have to see how the mountains looks. Oh my days. Wow. It's like very different from Montreal for what I see so far. Like, I've been able to have more people approach me here than in Montreal. And obviously one of the things that I like here is that I think you particularly stand out as a black guy because you don't see a lot of them here, so it's not very common. I've been approached by some people when I came here for the first time. There's actually a guy who said to me, hey, you're very fit. I was like, damn, thank you. I was walking in the downtown Vancouver for, you know, just to explore the area. Like I said earlier, I really enjoy Asian culture, so this is why it is a city that I like to visit most of the time. People also have a harder time to make friends because some people have already their own circle, so it's pretty much harder. But if you're a guy that is or a woman who is very extrovert, you can make friends more easily. Even for my first time when I came here, I was able to do something with people. And I've been able to meet other ethnicity like Japanese, Korean. I don't know, it's like when people see me, they feel like I'm pretty approachable as a person, so it's more easy for me to make new acquaintance, and people are more willing to initiate to talk with you compared to Montreal. La Grande Évasion, the Great Escape. I've been actually to this part, as you can see ahead. I was like here, right, when I came for the first time, but I've never been where I am right now, so my first time walking here. So just for you guys, I will go there just for you to show more closely how it looks. Do you guys love this drying? You know, when I walk in Montreal compared to Vancouver, right, is practically more nice to walk here in Vancouver because you have a beautiful view, the vibe is great, and you can try a lot of things here, right, in Vancouver. Montreal is like, you can stay like 5 days and you already pretty much see what you have to see in Montreal downtown, right? But yeah, of course, it's my own opinion, so don't get angry about what I said. It's only my own opinion. I think each people like what they like, right? So for me, Vancouver win big time. So as you can see here, they have Starbucks. I don't know if we can see pretty well. They have a steakhouse called the Shop Steak Steak. That's the name, Shop Steakhouse Bar. Now, as I mentioned earlier, there's not a lot of like people, so it's pretty unique though, because
in my own city, you will see like black, Asian, white, Indian. Nowadays, a lot of them come. What else? Yeah. But here you will see a lot of white Asians. Do you guys see like a black guy here right now instead of me? So here you can practically try the subway, the Steve Pocket Bar, Prince Wales, I don't know, Snow Goals, Gifts, I don't know how to, I really pronounce it, I didn't pronounce it right. Anyways, Snow Goal Gift? Anyway, here you have the Uno Galat, I don't know what it is, a coffee shop maybe? So yeah. Even there you have another good spot to watch the nature in front of you. And about that, I don't know if we say Vancouver, right? To say the people that live here, Vancouver night. Anyway, forget about that. So people live in Vancouver are pretty active, so they do a lot of sports. They are more active than people in Montreal, from what I noticed, which is a very good thing because health is very important for any one of us. You can go rent a bike here at the Club 16 Trevor Linden Fitness. And you can do practically bike everywhere in Vancouver. Very popular things to do here. And as you can see, they have the thing that I wanted to show you guys, the plane that is at the sea. Look at this, guys. Man. Alright, so I'm here with my friend Greg. Là, on va où?
Pacific Center.
Pacific. Ok. C'est à 45 minutes?
Non, c'est pas près. 10.
10? Oh, c'est pas super. So tell me what place that you like the most here in Vancouver.
Burnaby is nice.
Burnaby more than like Richmond and even downtown Vancouver?
For the services and amenities, Burnaby is nice because when you close to the skyscraper.
Oh, okay.
Because in Burnaby, you have you see a lot of people having their home right on top of shopping centers, SkyTrain and everything. They don't need to go far, and a lot of people call this like 15-minute scenes where you have everything close.
Oh, okay.
Coquetlam is like this too.
So how about the vegan places that does have more in like downtown Vancouver, Burnaby or Richmond?
Vegan places will be in Vancouver.
Vancouver? Oh, okay, I see. And how about like because I know that you showed me before that they have a Korean vegan restaurant. Where exactly you can find those restaurants?
Korean options. We tried one in Burnaby, but for Korean there's not a lot of vegan options, to be frank.
Oh, okay. All right. So apparently they bring me to a famous spot called the Paragon Tea Room, and there's a lineup here. Let's see how it tastes.
Ain't gonna lie, the drink is very good. So I take the mango flavor. So now we are in to have a little event here in Vancouver.
So we went to a Japanese store, and as you see, they have a robot who prepared the coffee. Damn, it's really remind me of South Korea because they have something similar. If you're into Japanese food, you can go to the store. So as you can see, they have a lot of Japanese ramen that you can try in the store. It's pretty dope though because they have a lot of items, a lot of Japanese items that you can buy here. A lot of things. Look at this, man. What? Some drinks. A lot of stuff here, man. Alright, so we're going to eat at the Ramen Dumbo, but right now they have a huge lineup, so we have to wait. And every time that I go to this restaurant, there's always a lineup every time. And what I like about this restaurant is that if you finish your bowl of ramen, you can ask for a refill for like $2, which is very cheap, and it's actually one of the best ramen that they have here in Vancouver. That's why you will always find lineup with people. So while I'm waiting on the lineup, they gave us a list of things that we want to eat and our bowl of ramen. Still have to wait for maybe 20 minutes. Oh, them look so good. Oh. Same. Same thing. Whoosh. Take the gyoza for me. Let me try this. Je vais te donner un bon review là. Oh, thank you.
Around egg and nori.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. Look at this, guys. Oh my days. Oh, thank you very much. Ooh, rice too. Je pense que je vais te remplir après là. So, bon appétit. Yes. What the buy? Is what? Miso. Oh. Oh. Ça c'est pour les. J'avoue que c'est beaucoup plus intelligent de faire ça. Ça va, ça va. Oh, un petit dégât. So guys, I'm pretty full, but this Japanese restaurant was very good. Alright guys, so I think it will be all for today's video, and I will see you guys on the next video in Vancouver. Alright, bye.